Well, plans to reorganize the Department of Veterans Affairs involve cutting more than 70,000 jobs.
Yeah, that impact is already hitting close to home. And WGN's Jenna Barnes is live at the Jesse Brown Medical Center. She joins us with more details now. Jenna.
Yeah, Ray and Lourdes, that's 15% of the VA workforce. That big reorganization expected to happen in August, but there are other cuts that will have more immediate impacts. The city says nearly 8 in 10 Chicago veterans don't receive the benefits they've earned, and now a VA program that goes into communities to connect those veterans with services is being halted.
Connecting veterans with housing services isn't inefficient. That's normal. That's the basic work of government.
Alderman Matt Martin's 47th Ward is just one losing a VA program hosted in his office once a month to connect any veterans who want to come to services they need. First thing this morning, he and other aldermen received this email from the Jesse Brown VA Medical Center, reading in part, "To ensure we provide the highest level of care where needed most, we must temporarily pause our comprehensive outreach program effective Friday, the 7th of this month. We understand this is short notice and sincerely wish there was more time to prepare for this transition."
It's going to be harder for veterans in my ward and across the city to access healthcare resources, housing resources, and other resources that they need right now. What that might mean is they don't get any of that, which would be disastrous. It might mean that they get it elsewhere at a greater cost.
The cuts come the same day the Department of Veterans Affairs revealed plans for even more cuts, 72,000 VA jobs.
There are many people complaining about the changes we're making at the VA. But what most of them are really saying is, let's just keep doing the same thing at the VA has always done.
The Trump administration says it plans to cut enough employees to return to 2019 staffing levels of just under 400,000. The VA expanded under the Biden administration.
We're going to accomplish this without making cuts to health care or benefits to veterans and VA beneficiaries.
This goes contrary to everything that the patriots like to support, which are the veterans.
Alderman Gil Villegas' 36th Ward is also losing the outreach program. Villegas is a Marine Corps veteran who's worked to prioritize jobs and housing for veterans here in Chicago.
25% of the 80,000 are veterans. So you tell me that the president supports veterans? They're talking out of both sides of their mouth.
The director of the mayor's Department of Veterans Affairs saying tonight in a statement, in part, we should be adding an additional 80,000 positions to the VA, not cutting them. The Johnson administration is steadfast in our belief that our veterans deserve the best we have to offer. We have reached out to both Jesse Brown and Hines VA medical centers to see how this reorganization could impact veterans and employees and have yet to hear back. We're live on the Near West Side tonight. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.